Is your wallet feeling a little bulky these days? Tired of fumbling for cards when you're in a rush at the checkout? What if you could pay for your coffee, groceries, or even that spontaneous new gadget, all with just a tap of your phone? Well, that's not some futuristic fantasy, it's the convenience of mobile pay, and if you're a Westpac customer, you're in luck. In today's video, we're diving into exactly how to set up mobile pay with Westpac, transforming your smartphone into your ultimate payment tool. Say goodbye to digging through your bag for your wallet and hello to a faster, smoother, and more secure way to shop. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly touch on why mobile pay is such a game changer. Beyond the obvious convenience, it offers enhanced security. Your card details aren't directly shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique encrypted token is used for each transaction. This significantly reduces the risk of fraud. Plus, many mobile pay systems require your fingerprint, Face ID, or a passcode for authorization, adding an extra layer of protection. Think of it as a digital vault for your money. So, how do you get started with Westpac Mobile Pay? The process is surprisingly straightforward, and it largely depends on the type of smartphone you have. We'll cover the two most popular options, Apple Pay for iPhone users and Google Pay for Android users. Let's start with Apple Pay. If you're an iPhone user, you likely already have the Wallet app installed. This is where all the magic happens. To add your Westpac card, simply open the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner, and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to either scan your card or enter the details manually. Once you've done that, Westpac will verify your card, and you might receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter that code, and boom! Your Westpac card is now linked to Apple Pay, ready for tap-to-pay transactions. When you're ready to pay, simply double-click the side button or home button on older models and hold your iPhone near the payment terminal. Authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and you're good to go. Now, for our Android friends, we'll be setting up Google Pay. First, you'll need to download the Google Wallet app from the Google Play Store if you don't already have it. Once installed, open the app and tap the Add a Card button. Similar to Apple Pay, you'll have the option to scan your Westpac card or enter the details manually. Westpac will then verify your card, and you may receive a verification code. Enter the code to complete the setup. To make Google Pay your default payment method, go into your phone settings, search for NFC or Tap and Pay, and ensure Google Pay is selected. When you're ready to pay, simply unlock your phone and hold it near the payment terminal. No need to open the app, just tap and go. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed your smartphone into a powerful payment device with Westpac Mobile Pay. This means less time at the checkout, enhanced security, and the ultimate convenience of paying with a device that's almost always in your hand. Embrace the future of payments and enjoy the freedom of a lighter wallet. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.